so good morning, everyone. Okay, so now, are you ready? Yeah. So we're going to talk about, we're done with numbers up to 20, right? We're finished with numbers up to 20, up to 40. Now we're going to learn about numbers up to 100. Okay. So now let's start our lesson for today. So it is counting to 100. So now look at the colored pencils. Everybody look at the colored pencil. So one box of colored pencil. So for example, this box of colored pencils is equal to 10. Okay? So now, how many colored pencils do we have? How many? How many colored pencils do we have? How many boxes? 1, 2, 4 colored pencils. So again, one colored pencil, one box is equal to 10. Okay? มีลูกกลมมีสีเท่าไหร่คะในกล่องมี10แท่งในแต่ละกล่องมี10แท่งทีนี้เราเรียนดูซิว่ามันมีกี่กล่องคะ4กล่องเพราะฉะนั้น10บวกกัน4ครั้งเป็น4 Okay, so now keep it. So now we have how many colored pencils, everybody? Let's skip count by 10. We have 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. So now we have 40 colored pencils. So 4 tens, so we have 4 tens is equal to how many? How many? 40. So what is the inside? Huh? Okay, very good. Can you spell 40? Louder, please. F. 4, 6. So now we have 40 colored pencils. So next, let's look about this one. How many colored pencils do we have? Let's count. How many pens? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 5 tens. So we have 5 tens. So 5 tens is equal to how many? Win. 5 tens is equal to how many? 50. How many? 50. So what is 50 inside? Again, everybody? Very good. So now, can you spell 50? Everybody spell 50. F. Again. Okay, so you can open your book or you can see it on page 168. Everybody look at 168. Okay, so we have 50. Again, spell 50, everybody. F. F. 50. So next, for this one, let us see how many colored pencils do we have? How many tens? How many tens? Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many tens? How many tens? 6 tens. So if we have 6 tens, how many is that? We have 6 tens is equal to So now, what is 60 in Thai? Again? Okay, very good. So now, can you spell 60 as? Again? S? Very good. 60. Next, we have we have how many tens? How many tens? Everybody let's count. 1, 7 tens. Very good. So now if we have 7 tens, it is equal to 7. 70. So what is that in Thai? Okay, again? Okay, can you spell 70? S E B E N T Y. 70. Remember the numbers 1 to 10. You're just going to add T. Okay? So now we have how many colored pencils? Look at the TV. How many colored pencils? Everybody count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, how many letter E? How many? 8. 8. So now, how many tens do we have? 8 tens. So now 8 tens is equal to how many? 80. 80. Very good. So now 80 spelled. What is 80 in Thai? Okay. Now let's spell 80. Everybody, let's spell. E-I-N-T-Y. Very good. So next, how about this one? How many tens do we have? 9. How many? 9. Okay, so we have 9 tens. So 9 tens is equal to how many? 9 tens, if we're going to count this as 10, 20, 30, how many? 90. So now 90 in Thai? 90. Okay, again, everybody. Count. Okay, so now again 90 and 90. Next letter G. So we have how many 10? So if we have 10 tens, how many? How many tens? How many tens? How many tens do we have? 10. 10. 10. So 10 tens is equal to? How many? 100. Very good. So now 10 tens is equal to 100. Did you understand? Yeah. How about 110? So 110 is equal to how many? 10. Very good. Okay. So now you're just going to add 0 on it. Okay. Did you understand? Yeah. Okay. So now we're going to memorize the 10 up to 100. Did you understand? Yeah. So we're going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay? and then you're going to add 0, it will equal to 60. Did you understand? Yeah. We're just going to add TY. How are you going to spell number 6? Spell 6. S-I-X-Y. 6 only, 6. S-I-X-Y. Okay, so how about 60? You're just going to add 0. S-I-N-T-Y. So you add T-Y, okay? 60. Okay, did you understand? Yeah. How about 70? Spell 70. You're just going to spell number 7 and then you add T-Y. 70. Again, spell 70. S-E-E-N-T-Y. 7. How about 80? How about 90? 90. How about 100? So now you look at here. So we're done with by 10, right? So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So now we're going to add ones in our number. So you look at here. So how are we going to write this one? So we have how many blocks? So one block or one group of cubes, we have 10. So this is equal to 10. How many 10s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? How many? 6. So now 6 10s is equal to how many? 60. So now we have ones here. So how many ones do we have? How many? 1. How many ones? So now it is 60 and 4. So how many is that? 60 and 4 is how many? 60 and 4, how many? 60. 4. Good job. So it is 64. Now, how are you going to write 60? Everybody. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. Now you're going to add number 4. Everybody spell number 4. F-U-R. 4. Number 4, not 40. Okay? Okay? It is 40, not it is 40, not 4. Okay? Okay, did you understand? So teacher said 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Did you understand? Yes. Okay, can you spell 1 to 9? Everybody, O-N-E 1. No, go. T. Again, louder please. T. K. Go. Again, one more time. Everybody will speak. 1, 2, 3, go. O. T. Five, 3, E, four, T, A. Next, 9. And okay, so did you understand? Yeah. So now you're just going to add, for example, you're going to write 32. So 3 and 2. So now you're going to write 30 first, 30. Spell 30, T-H-I-P-T-H-I-R-T-Y. And then you're going to write dash 2. Did you understand? Yes. Okay, so now on this lesson, we're going to place it with the place value chart and then the expanded form. Okay? So letter A, we have how many cubes do we have? How many? How many groups? How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens is equal to 50. Again, 50. Graphic pin. Listen. Keep that ruler. Keep that. Hands on your table. Faster pin. Hands on your. Okay. So now we're going to write 50 in our place value chart. So what is the value of 0? 0. What is the value of 0? Ones or tens? Ones. Again? Ones. How about 5? What is the value of 5? Ones or tens? 10. 10. So now we have 50 and 0 is equal to how many? 50. So now how are we going to expand 50? So we have 50 plus 50 plus 0 equals 50. Did you understand? Yes. Okay, so now let's answer your do and learn. It is on page 172. Okay. So now, look at here. How many sticks do we have? So one bundle. When you say one bundle, it is grouped as one. Okay. So one bundle is equal to 10 sticks. Okay. Did you understand? ใน1 มัดเนี่ยค่ะใน1 กางไม้1 มัดเนี่ยมันมีเท่าไหร่คะมีอยู่10แล้วใน1 กางอ่ะมันมีอยู่10แล้วเพราะฉะนั้นนักเรียนจะหาได้เลยในนี้มีกี่กางคะแถวแรกมีอยู่4 กางถูกไหมลูกก็คือเท่าไหร่คะ10บวกกัน4 ครั้ง10เป็นเท่าไหร่40โซที่แล้วที่เหลือนักเรียนก็บวกเศษที่มันออกมาจากนอกกาง Okay, so now you look at here. We have, for example, number 1. Okay, so we have how many sticks? How many bundles? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is equal to 10. Yes, so it is 10, right? So how many tens? 4 tens equals to 4 tens is equal to how many? If we're going to count this at 10, 20, 40. How many? 40. So now we have 40 here. Plus how many ones? How many ones take? 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. So we have 40 and then we're going to add 3. How many is that? 43. Again? 43. So here, you're going to write the Hindu Arabic numerals. So how are you going to write? You write the numbers 4 and 3. So we have 43. And then we're going to write it in Thai. So 43 in Thai, what is that? What is 43 in Thai? Again? Okay, so now you write it in Thai. So and then we're going to write it in words. So what is the spelling of 43? So we have 40 and then you're going to add 3. Did you understand? Okay, so now try to answer your do and learn number 1. Do and learn number 1.
เขียนเลขดูช่องที่ 2 เขียนเลขไทยนะคะส่วนช่องที่ 3ก็คือเขียนคำศัพท์นะคะที่เป็นจำนวนตัวเลขนั้นนะคะ43ก็ต้องเป็น43นั่นเองก็ต้องเขียนตัวเลขหลัก10ก่อน40ถูกไหมเขียนคำนี้ก่อน40แล้วตามด้วยขีดแล้วก็3 T H R E E 3ข้อที่เหลือข้ออื่นก็เหมือนกันนะคะเพราะฉะนั้นเราจะต้องจำตัวเลขตั้งแต่1 จนถึงวันเป็นได้เลย
So answer do and learn number 1. 70.
ดูยังไง56 50แล้วเองก็ไล่มาเลยค่ะอันนี้ก็คือ10 20 30 40 50แต่60 70 80 90เนี่ยนักเรียนมันเขียนเลขเดิมเลยถูกไหมเลขหลักเดียวถูกไหม6 7 8 9ถูกไหมลูกมันเติมแค่ตัวอะไรมาข้างหลังคะตัวอะไรลูก T Y นั่นเองเห็นไหมมันก็กลายเป็นเพิ่มเลข0ไป1ตัวข้างหน้าของมันแค่นั้นเอง
So how are you going to spell 4? Spell 4. F-O-U-R. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Then 3. T-H-R-E-E. 2. And then how when we got 1, 2, 7, how many? 1, 2.
เลขที่3ค่ะคุณเป็นคน
3, T-H-R, R. Good. 6. Where is 5? 5, 6. What is that? 50, right? 50, not 5, 6. Right? 50. And then 40. How are you going to write 40? F-O-R-T-Y. Oh, so 40. This one is 43, right? 43, not 43. Spell and say spell 40. How are you going to spell 40? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Right? Oh, why you write 4 F-O-U-R? This one is 4 only. 4. 5. 40 is 40. 50. Do you understand? F-O-R. F-O-U-R. 40. F-O-R.
นักเรียนเนี่ยมันคือเพนไว้มันเพิ่มทีละ10ค่ะเพน20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90นี่งงไหมมันเพิ่มทีละ10แล้วเด็กก็ต้องจับเพนเดี๋ยวต้องจับเพนมา
Right? Not 5, 6. So you're going to write F-I-S. Yes, F-I-S. Okay, so now what is that number? 15. 6. So now we're going to write 15. Okay, do you understand? Do you understand this one? Yes or no? Yes. So now you're going to write 50 if it is 50. You're going to write 5 if it's only 5. For example, 55, 5 and 5. You're not going to write 5 dash 5. No. This is 55. So you're going to write 50. 55. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Did you understand?
Yeah.
Not 5, 5, okay? Or we're going to read this. 55. So now you're going to write 55, not 5, 5. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, well, not yet finished. What number is this? What number? 6, am I? Or you're right, 55. Five, finish. 6, right? 6. How are you going to write 6? Yes. Home. Faster. Finish. Next. How many? 72. Oh, how many? 72. How are you going to write 70? Count. How many? 70. How much? Where is that? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then you add 2. Time, finish. Now write 2 and 2. Where is the 2? What is the spelling of 2?
7.
The spelling. How are you going to write? 2. Write 2. Spell 2. Spell 2. Spell 2. T. W-O-2. Right? Next. What number is that? Faster. U. Okay, so let's answer. So the first first one we have how many? 40. 43. What is that inside? Some 4, 3, 3. Next we have, what is this? Huh? 56. Very good. Not 5, 6. Okay. 56. So what is that inside? Okay. So read 56. Next we have 70. How are you going to write? How are you going to read this one? Everybody read. We have 70. 92. Oh, how what is that inside? 72. Oh, we read 72. Next we have 91. Oh, again 91. What is that inside? 78. Okay, read. In 91. Did you understand? Yeah. Okay, so now number 2, letter A. So here, you're just going to count the number of blocks or number of cubes. So now, this row or this group is equal to 10. Okay? So now, same with the stick. One bundle is equal to 10. Same with this one. So how many tens do we have? How many tens? 50. How many tens? 5 tens. 5 tens. So you're going to write 5 tens. Did you understand? Yeah. How many ones? 4. How many ones? 4. How many? 4. So you're going to write 4 ones. So 5 tens and 4 ones is equal to 54. So again 54. So now we have 5 tens is equal to how many? 5 tens. 50. How many? 50. Very good. So 4 ones is how many? 4. So 50 plus 4. 54. Okay, everybody, let's read this one. Everybody. 10. Again, other. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Did you understand? Yeah. Only day and count. I can only hear day and count. Oh, go. Finish. Oh, let's answer B and C. What's not yet finished? Faster, Tawin, BC. Finish part and see. Okay, what's not yet finished? Oh. How many ones? Finish? Okay, very good. Next. Oh, let's answer. Letter B and letter C. What is the answer? How many times? 6. How many ones? 7. So it is equal to how many? 11. Again? 67. So now expanded form. What is the expanded form? We have 60 plus 7 equals 67. Okay, very good. So how about this one? How many times? 8. 10. How many ones? 8. So 8 times and 8 ones is equal to how many? 88. So now we have the expanded form. We're going to expand 88. What is that? 80 plus 88. Did you understand? Yes. Okay, so now let's answer letter number 1. And then if we don't have time, we're going to continue it as your homework, okay? So now exercise number 1. Here, you're just going to do what you do on do and turn, okay? So you're going to count how many rows or how many groups of 10. So how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is equal to 4 times is equal to? Okay. 40. How many? 40. 40. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. We have 49. So now you're going to write it in Thai. How are you going to write 49 in Thai? เขียนเลขไทยนะคะช่องแรกเขียนเลขไทย40. What is that in Thai? 49. Again? 49. Okay, and then in Hebrew Arabic, in numbers, we have 4 and 9. So how are you going to write it in words? Spell 40. 49. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Answer A, B, C, D, E. Finish. How many? 1, 2, 3, 50. 55. 1, 2, 3, 55. How many? This one. How many? 1, 2, 3. How many? Oh, how many? 50. 51. นักเรียนโมอะไรเนี่ยนักเรียนขา50นะไม่ดีบ้าน50เนี่ยเอ็กซ์เบอร์สิ
ตัวเลขข้างหลังอีกคู่50 30อะไรอ่ะ53 53
Memorize the spelling of numbers. Okay, memorize the spelling of numbers. Spell 1 to 10. The spelling of 1 to 10. 50. What? Spell 3. How are we going to spell 3? Spell 3. Spell 3. T. You don't know how to spell 3? Why is that G? Spell T. T-H-R-E-E. T-H-R-E-E. Very good. Spell 3. Spell 3. How are you going to spell 3, Karen? T-H-R. 3-H-R-E-E. Go. T-H-I-T-H-R-T-H. How are you going to spell 1? O-N-E. 2. 3. 4. 5. Okay, 6. 7. 8. 9. Memorize this one, okay? Okay. In, Calvin, 5. O-N-E-1. So, again, O-N-E-1. T-W-O-2. So, T-H-R-E-E, 3. F-O-U-R, 4. F-I-V-E, 5. Memorize. Okay, tomorrow. Very good. Okay, so for those who are finished, everybody on page 174, for those who are finished, finish, okay? If you are finished, write homework. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Yes. So this one, today you're going to count 1 to 100. Oh, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What's next? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Oh, you're going to write, okay? Finish? Memorize 1 to 10, okay?